this function is given fn is equals to n and gn is equals to n to the power 1 plus sin n. We need to find out the relationship between them. So what we are going to do, we just simply putting the n values. So we write n here and we write sin n here. So how we are going to do, first if we are taking n value as 90, then sin 90 value is 1. Sin 90 value is 1. So this is 90 to the 90 power 1 plus, because sin 90 value is also 1, so 90 power 1 plus 1. So this will be 90 square. So we will write here 90 into 90. Now if we put sin n value is 180, so sin 180 value is 0. So 181 plus sin 180 value is 0. Right here sin 90 value is 1, sin 180 value is 0. So 180 power 1 plus 0, so this will be 180 power 1, so we will write here 180. Now again if we take n value is 270, so sin 270 value is minus 1. Sin 270 value is minus 1. So what will be the value here? 270 power 1 plus minus 1. So 270 power will be 0. We can simply say 270 power 1, and sin 270 value is minus 1, so 1 minus 1. So 270 power will be 0. That's why the value will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So the value will be 1. Anyone having power 0, its value will be 1. So if we take n value as 360, so sin 360 value is 0. Sin 360 value is 0. So we will write here 360 power 1 plus 0, that will be 360 power 1. So it will come here 360. If we putting here n value, so 360 power 1 plus sin 360 value is 0, so 1 plus 0, so 360 power 1, so it will be 360. So here we can simply see there is no relationship between them, because values are different for every time, and after every 360 degree this will happen again and again. If we are putting the values like this, so this will repeat the values after 360 degree. If we are doing other degrees, if we are taking other degrees, so it will give the same value again and again. Value will repeat again and again, so there is no meaning of taking further values. But we are seeing here there is no relationship between them, because values are different at different times. So these are non-comparable function. These are non-comparable function. Fn is equals to n and g is equals to n to the power 1 plus sin n. Now move to the next example. Suppose we have fn is equals to n square and gn is equals to 1 to the power 1 plus sin n. This is same, this is n square. So let's see what can be the possibility. We are taking n values as we did earlier, and we will write here here we are writing n square, and we are writing 1 to the power 1 plus sin n. So if we take n value as 90, so n square value will be 90 square, and here what we will have 1 to the power 1 plus Sine 90 value is 1. So 1 plus 1. So what the value will be? 1 square. Now if we put n value is 180, if we put n value is 180, so what will be the n square value? N square value will be 180 whole square, and what we will get here, 1 to the power 1 plus sine 180. Sine 180 value is 0, so this will be 0 here. So what we will get here, we will get 1 here. Now if we put n value is 270, then what we will get here, this will be 270 whole square, and this will be 1 to the power 1 plus sine 270 times sine 270 value is -1, so this will be 1 minus 1, so 1 to the power 0, so this will be 1. And if we put n value is 360, so this will be 360 whole square, and what we will get here, 1 to the power 1 plus sine 360. Sine 360 value is 0, so this will be 0, so this will be 1. So here we can simply see here all the time we are getting 1, and here all the time we are getting different value as we are putting n value, so these are coming regarding n value. So there is no relationship between them, so these are also non-comparable function, because every time we are getting different values. And in the similar way, if we repeat, if we take for another degrees, and if we take another n values, then the sine value will be repeated. So there is no meaning of taking further, so this will happen after every 360 degree. So till then only we will take the values, and we simply see that these are different values, so these are non-comparable function. So in that way, by putting the value of n, we can find out the relationship. If we find any relationship, that we can see simply in the values. If we don't find any relationship, we can see in the simply values. So this is the way of doing this.